Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will give you a demonstration about a new application that I make in Android Studio. Now, the name of this application is my Bittaqwa app, but yeah, this name is only my name for make it different from the other application. Now, let's just go to the demo first. But the first time, I want to explain you about the UI. So as you can see here, it is the UI for the dashboard because yeah, it will take until around 5 part, and it is not included for the um what is the name, the modification. So you will see later the modification, and yeah, here is the UI for the dashboard. For this part, we will only talking about dashboard, and this is as you can see, yeah. In this application, the dashboard is like the first. It will show uh, what a picture of like a background, and on it there is a writing called Assalamualaikum Bittaqwa semua ibadah apa hari ini. And below it there is what uh, there is a layout for the what or kind for there is so many worship that we can do. For example, there is dua, zakat, and j- and we can know the time of prayer and video kajian, or maybe you can say it as lecture video from a Salafi Ustad. So yeah, next below it there's an inspiration or yeah inspiration to do a worship. This why do you see here? It is only blank on the white rectangle. Yeah, it is haven't we haven't run this application in our phone or our emulator. So yeah. So if you want to see what is picture inside of this one, you need to run it into the in, you need to run it in your phone or your emulator, and then yeah, it is take so many inspiration poster exactly. Okay, yeah. So that's all from the UI. Now let's go to the code. Okay, so this is all of the code for dashboard. So what is this scroll view mean? The scroll view means is for make this application scrollable, so we can scroll it up and down, not scroll it like right and left. It is if you want to scroll it left and right, it should be horizontal scroll view like this one. Where is it? This one. This is horizontal scroll view, so we can scroll it if some if there is a time of one of the picture here is not entered to the frame. Okay, so next it is the constraint layout. It's like a trigger of this application. So we can set our application here from the alignment and the background, the color of the background. And then next this one is app compat image view. This is a code for we can put this image this background morning. This is the name of the image, background header morning, and yeah, the alignment is match parent, and for the height is 150 dp, and for the id name of this picture is iv header or image view header. And for the constraint layout, it is parent for the left, right, and top. Okay, next we will consider the text view or this one, the writing on the this picture. This item called have a name as TV or text view, and we give a background here. So behind of the Behind of the writing, there is a background like as what we call it a rectangle, a white rectangle, and this is the text. It is exactly what a library that I call at string text welcome, but the writing is Assalamualaikum Bittaqwa. And for the lines, I take two lines because yeah, it will not enough if I only have make one lines. And for the alignment is center. And for constraint layout, it is under the it is on the IV header or the picture. This picture. Okay. Okay. Next, here is the horizontal scroll view that I've told you before. This scroll view is like if we want to scroll, it is something like we want to make a new layout inside of one layout. So yeah, we make it as the layout inside of layout. And the function of scroll view here, why don't we just put right constraint layout? Because we want this layout can scroll to the left and right if sometimes this picture or there is a writing that hide it because not enter to the frame. And for this one, Android constraint layout is for the trigger of this layout of this horizontal scroll view. And for this one, next it is there is app compact image view under the inside of the constraint layout or the trigger before. This is an icon exactly. This is an image view, so we can put an icon inside of the horizontal scroll view, and under and below it there is a writing called doa, or if in the library we called it as string text doa. For the color, you can see here white, and for the text size is 14 sp. Okay, yeah, this one is still same, but just yeah, we can skip this one. This one is still same with this one, this doa doa, but the different is only the picture. So before is the picture of IC menu doa, if this one is IC menu zakat, and the right channel below it is zakat as well. If in the library is called text menu zakat. Okay, so yeah, it's still same until we go down. So this one, still this is video kajian. Wait, this video kajian, and now yeah, let's go to the below it. There is below of the horizontal scroll view. There is the what is it called? An inspiration for worship. So yeah, for the first is we put a text first, a text view inspiration. With the text is inspirasi, or in the library is text inspirasi, and the color is color text or gray. Wait, 40, 47, 47, 47. Okay, and then yeah, 100. There is 100 recycler view. And recycler view. This is what do I call it? It is something like if we want to put something inside of this, it is like an empty image, so we can put an image inside of this sphere or no, it is not sphere. It is inside of this rectangle by clicking this code or tools list item add layout item row inspiration. And what's inside of item row? Wait. And what's inside of item row inspiration? This the insert. So we can put so many photos inside of here, and after that, the photo will input in on the inside of this rectangle because here, as you can see, have so many rectangle here. Okay, okay. Now we have done for the layout here, item row inspiration and main activity or the dashboard. So now let's go to the function of this application. Okay, first you can see here. No, not this one. This one is the first function. Okay, what this function is talking about? This function is talking about if we click some of an icon. For example, here we click what an icon of doa before. Yeah, so here is the intent or the the intent will move us to the next layout. It is the layout for doa, and it's same as if we click this icon. If we click zikr icon, we will go to zikr page. If we click jadwal salat icon, we will go to jadwal salat page. Yeah, it's still same as zakat. And then yeah, this is the background research or the resource of this application. So it might we can change the background. Okay, so we have done from this one. Oh yeah, I forget to tell you the import. Import is something that we want to import the code into the Kotlin. So if we want to make a code in Kotlin, make sure you have been imported into this one under the package com and above the class dash the class name. Okay, so next we will go to inspiration mode, inspiration bus adapter. Yeah, this the what the code for us can put an image inside of this one before the sphere or the rectangle here, and what image will we put inside of that rectangle? We will put this image, the image that we have put into the inspiration data. Is the inspiration data. So we put around 7 image inside of it, and that image is yeah wait there is so many image here as you can see. There is an image from Bulugul Maram for what for we can know what's the virtue of our worship, and this is the model of this inspiration for the model. Okay, so maybe the this is my demonstration for the dashboard activity. I'm sorry if I have a mistake from my explanation. And last word I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We'll see you in the next video. And the next we will talking about doa layout.